Also breaking tonight, an illegal immigrant police say caused a crash that killed a Mobile County teacher last month was back in court this afternoon.
Tyler Finger had on that breaking story for us tonight. He's standing by live. Tyler, tell us what happened in the hearing.
Probable cause was found during the preliminary hearing, Lenise and Byron, meaning the case now heading to the grand jury where they'll decide whether he should be indicted. Take a look at the video of the hearing. Domingo Marcos Diego walking into the courtroom on crutches because of his injuries from the crash. He's charged with homicide by vehicle and leaving the scene of an accident. The hearing lasting about an hour, slowed down by the need for a translator for the defendant because of his lack of understanding of the English language. The only testimony during today's hearing was from the state trooper investigating the deadly crash from last month. He said a witness told him he saw Diego trying to leave the scene of the crash, but because of his injuries, he wasn't able to go far. Both sides aren't questioning whether this happened. What's up in the air is whether this was an intentional act.
Our position is that it wasn't a knowing or deliberate action. It was simply an accident.
What we do know is that Mr. Diego was speeding and he directly crossed over a center turn lane of traffic directly into Ms. Jones' lane of travel.
State troopers say Sonia Jones, a Mobile County teacher, was in the other car and died on scene after the head-on crash. The DA's office says the family is still emotional about this loss. Diego will remain behind bars because the judge decided against giving bond in this case. The DA's office argued if he would get bond, he would be deported back to Guatemala before he would be able to answer for these charges. Again, the news tonight, Diego's case heading to the grand jury. They will decide whether he should be indicted, and if he is indicted and convicted on both of those charges, he could spend up to 20 years in prison. We're live in downtown Mobile outside Government Plaza. Tyler Finger, Fox 10 News.